Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 9 Economics Chapter 2 People as Resource. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Quality of Population, Education Part 3, that is the literacy rates. This comprises 11 questions. Question 1. In India, the literacy rate in 1951 was dash. The options are 15%, 5%, 18%, 8%. Your time to choose. And the answer is 18%. So, in India, the literacy rate in 1951 was 18%. Question 2. In India, the literacy rate increased from 18% in 1951 to dash in 2010-11. The options are 74%, 25%, 75%, 24%. Your time to choose. And the answer is 74%. So, in India, the literacy rate increased from 18% in 1951 to 74% in 2010-11. Question 3. In India, the literacy rate was 74% in dash. The options are 2010-11, 2011-12, 2014-15, 2009-10. Your time to choose. And the answer is 2010-11. So, in India, the literacy rate was 74% in 2010-11. Question 4. Literacy is not only dash. The options are a national goal, a citizen's right, a person's necessity, a state's duty. Your time to choose. And the answer is a citizen's right. So, literacy is not only a citizen's right. Question 5. Literacy is also needed if the citizens are to dash. The options are teach others, perform their duties, appreciate education, develop the nation. Your time to choose. And the answer is perform their duties. So, literacy is also needed if the citizens are to perform their duties. Question 6. Literacy is also needed if the citizens are to perform their duties and dash. The options are set up new schools, have a global outlook, take up government posts, enjoy their rights properly. Your time to choose. And the answer is enjoy their rights properly. So, literacy is also needed if the citizens are to perform their duties and enjoy their rights properly. Question 7. A vast difference in literacy in India is noticed across dash. The options are foreigners in the country, different sections of the population, various age groups, people of different professions. Your time to choose. And the answer is different sections of the population. So, a vast difference in literacy in India is noticed across different sections of the population. Question 8. Literacy among males in India is nearly dash than females. The options are 16 times more, 16.6% lower, 16.6% higher, 18.5% higher. Your time to choose. And the answer is 16.6% higher. So, literacy among males in India is nearly 16.6% higher than females. Question 9. Literacy among males in India in urban areas is about dash than females as compared to rural areas. The options are 16.1 times more, 16.1% lower, 16.1% higher, 16.1 times lower. Your time to choose. And the answer is 16.1% higher. So, literacy among males in India in urban areas is about 16.1% higher than females as compared to rural areas. Question 10. In 2011, the literacy rate in Kerala was dash. The options are 94%, 100%, 99%, 96%. Your time to choose. And the answer is 94%. So, in 2011, the literacy rate in Kerala was 94%. Next question 11, last question. In 2011, literacy rates varied from 94% in Kerala to dash in Bihar. The options are 6.2%, 62%, 26%, 50%. Your time to choose. And the answer is 62%. So, in 2011, literacy rates varied from 94% in Kerala to 62% in Bihar. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Quality of Population, Education, Part 3. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Quality of Population, Education, Part 4. I'll see you there.